Again, welcome back to Positive Psychology. The topic that we are going to discuss now, it's all about self-forgiveness. What is self-forgiveness and why it is so much important? So there was one of the famous research conducted by Julie Hall and Frank in the Florida State University of America. They found that self-forgiveness is associated with positive self-esteem and higher life satisfaction. The people who forgive themselves have the high positive self-esteem and they are more satisfied. The lack of the self-forgiveness, though, is associated with the high neuroticism, depression, anxiety, and hostility. So now I am talking with perspective to the research. Actually, what is self-forgiveness? This is important to first understand. Many people cannot forgive themselves. Something wrong they have happened in the past. They hurt someone or something wrong has happened because of them. So they do not forgive themselves. They cannot shun their own mistakes. They always remain in the past. They used to say that I should have done this in this way. I could have done this in this way. This happened just because of me. So they always try to hurt themselves again and again. So they make their soul more weaker. First we need to forgive ourselves, then we can be able to do this for the others. The one person who deserves the love, the care, kindness, sympathy, attention, love is you, your own self. First we need to forgive. First we need to learn how to forgive ourselves. Then we are able and become generous enough to forgive others. So whenever we are going to create any habit, it is very much important to practice that habit from our own self, our own own self. That if we are able to forgive ourselves, then we are going to create that habit. If we forgive ourselves again and again and we learn from that mistakes, so we are able to forgive others, because we are going to create this habit of generosity with ourselves and others. So let me give this the one situation. Let's suppose if other person is in pain, will you give them more pain? Let's suppose there is one of your friends who has done one mistake. Maybe the mistake he has done, something wrong to the company. Maybe something wrong to the company, and he has lose that job. Now he is feeling very much guilty about it. He's saying, I am responsible for everything. I have nothing to do. I have nothing to live with this world. I am culprit. So what would you do? You talk to them with love. You talk to them with care. You say whatever has happened, it is past. It's okay. You learn from it. Now move ahead. So we try to give the sympathy, the compassion to those people. And what we do with ourselves, the other person is pain, so we are showing them compassion. So we should practice that compassion with ourselves too. You support them, listen to them. Now same goes for yourself. You need to heal yourself. Now if you have done something wrong, so you need to forgive yourself. You need to talk to yourself that whatever has happened, I am responsible for this. Alright? So I need to learn from my mistake. We are not going to hurt our soul a lot. If we are giving compassion to others, so we need to give compassion to ourselves too. If you failed exam this time, it's okay. It's okay. I am responsible for this. I failed the exam because I didn't study properly. I indulged more time in PUBG and YouTube and other social media network side, or maybe I was busy in somewhere else. So I need to learn from my failure. So I would not repeat this thing again. So you are healing yourself in this way. So this is how you can forgive yourself. The one stage which is very much important, accept responsibility for your action. And this is very much tough stage. A lot of people, most of the people do not accept their responsibility. They started to say this is others issue, this is other issue. So we need to take the responsibility. It's my fault. Feel guilty without dwelling. It's my fault, but I have to move on. If you have accepted your responsibility, it is not like that you are going to hurt yourself, you are going to harm yourself, you are going to curse yourself, you remain all in pain all the time, crying with the sad face. No, you need to amend your mistake, you need to correct it. If something has happened with you, so you need to correct this mistake. If something has happened wrong because of you, go to them, talk to them, say them sorry, fix the problem, whatever has happened for you. Then you need to at the last stage is focus on what you learn and how you grew. The last stage that you need to accept whatever happened, I am responsible and I would never repeat the mistake. At this stage, you grow yourself. And this is how you are having more high self-esteem, more confident, and you live a very satisfied life. Once you live with your own guilt, once you live with your own mistakes, so you may not have a very satisfied life. So you need to have that, acceptance in your body in order to accept your mistakes, so you can grow eventually. So self-forgivingness is very much important. Once we learn how to forgive ourselves, then we are going to create the habit to forgive others as well. Forgivingness is today I'm going to discuss something very important. Once we forgive others, we do not forgive others, we actually forgive ourselves. How forgiveness work? Let me explain this concept. See, if someone has hurt you, you have created the hurt in your mind and your heart, right? Someone has hurt you, you have created that hurt in your mind. Whenever someone is coming to you, you are avoiding them, you are not talking to them, you are recalling that pain, so you are indulging yourself in pain again and again because you have not forgive that person. You are deliberately ignoring them, you are not talking to them, you are not forgiving them. In real, whenever we do not forgive others by saying that I cannot forgive you, that means you are unable to forgive yourself. We do not forgive others. This is very important to understand. Even that if something has, some people has talked wrong to you, they do not accept it is wrong. It is you who is saying it's wrong. Even they don't care about it, whatever they said. You created hurt because of them. Even they don't care about it. Even they don't care about it, you created hurt in yourself, so you are going to give pain to yourself, not them. So you are not going to forgive them, you are going to forgive yourself. So you need to have generous enough to forgive others, to forgive their mistakes, to let go whatever has happened. In actual, we do not forgive people, we forgive ourselves. Once we are forgiving others, we feel relaxed, we feel more contented, we feel more generous. So it is very much important that we need to learn how to forgive others. So thank you so much. Forgive yourself and learn to forgive others. So this is how we have to be more stronger soul. A very positive day of the day. Thank you.